The trial of Sean Diddy Combs began with opening statements that set the tone for what is expected to be a closely watched and potentially explosive legal proceeding. Prosecutors outlined a case that centers on serious allegations against the music mogul, painting a picture of abuse, manipulation, and power imbalance. They argue that Combs used his influence in the entertainment industry to silence victims and control narratives, while engaging in behavior that now forms the basis of multiple charges. In response, Combs' defense team came out forcefully, characterizing the accusations as unfounded and motivated by financial gain. They emphasized his decades-long career, philanthropic work, and lack of criminal history, arguing that the prosecution is relying on unreliable testimony and speculative evidence. His lawyers assert that the case is more about reputation and public opinion than fact, and they vowed to dismantle the claims piece by piece. The courtroom was packed with media and onlookers, a reflection of Combs' high profile and the wider implications of the trial. Legal experts say the case touches on deeper issues related to power dynamics in the music industry and the broader cultural reckoning with misconduct. Some of the witnesses expected to testify include former associates and individuals who have come forward in recent years, many of whom allege long-term patterns of coercive behavior. Throughout the opening statements, the prosecution made it clear they intend to frame Combs' behavior as part of a systemic abuse of power, drawing on both specific incidents and broader patterns. They pointed to what they claim is compelling documentation, including messages, video clips, and financial records, all aimed at backing the testimonies with corroborating evidence. Meanwhile, the defense is leaning heavily on character witnesses and a strategy aimed at discrediting the accusers. They allege inconsistencies in the stories and possible motives involving career disputes or past disagreements. Combs himself remained composed throughout the day, occasionally conferring with his attorneys and showing little reaction as the details of the case were laid out. As the trial proceeds, both sides are expected to present starkly different portrayals of the man behind the global brand. For now, the court of law, not public opinion, will determine whether Sean Combs is found guilty or cleared of the charges that have cast a long shadow over his legacy.